Today was a super lazy day. I wasn't really into cooking, and I didn't even want to go out to get food. And because I live in the middle of nowhere, nobody really delivers to my house either. So I had all the ingredients to make a sub, a toasted sub. Ham, salami, provolone, Swiss, some sweet and hot pepper relish, which is bomb. And then I just topped it with some lettuce, tomato, and onions and cut that baby up. Honestly, this was better than any Subway sub that you could ever create. What is your favorite kind of sub? And what do you eat on those lazy days when you don't feel like cooking?